If you're responsible for quality assurance, you already understand the significant role of a stereo microscope for component and assembly and inspection. And if you're looking to take the next step with your visual inspections, this next product review is for you. Hey, I'm Andre from the John Morris Group. Go ahead, subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon to be notified each time we upload new content. Today, we'll be talking about the A60 series stereo microscopes from Leica Microsystems, and we'll be focusing on the model A60F. Now, in case you don't know, stereo microscopes are devices used for visual observation of samples at a magnification far beyond that of the unaided human eye. And a product like this Leica will allow your team to easily spot imperfections that impact the quality of your final product. The A60F comes out of the box with a flex arm stand that can be mounted to a table, and it makes things easy to use because of this LED ring light at 5600K color, as well as a 10 times magnification eyepiece and a 1 times objective, which allows a range of 5 to 30 times magnification with outstanding clarity. For the techies, Leica's optics in this setup provide a 13.6mm depth of view, a working distance of 122mm, and a large 46mm field of view, which allows you to see 80% of your sample. With the patented Leica FusionOptic technology, you can save time on refocusing. Simply set the microscope at the maximum magnification and bring the sample into focus. Regardless of your zoom setting, your inspection will remain in focus for the entire zoom range. A common issue with stereo microscope setups is a significant space requirement and an inflexibility in movement, which can make it incredibly hard to view large or unusually shaped items. With the Leica A60 series, this is addressed by the flex arm stand, which provides optimum usage of your workspace and allows you to easily swing the microscope out of the way when not in use. You can also say goodbye to excessive electrical usage with the powerful 50,000 hour rated LED ring light, which provides bright and uniform illumination for your sample. Now, if your sample is reflective, simply screw in the attachable diffuser for comfortable viewing. Another important but often overlooked feature of the Leica A60 series is the patented anti-static polymer housing, which helps protect your samples from electrostatic discharge. Now, it's very important when you're working with sensitive electronics like PCBs, etc. The A60 is designed for long periods of continuous use, perfect for jewelry or engraving artists, with a 38-degree viewing angle, which allows users to maintain a natural head height and helps with the posture to make sure you don't get neck pain associated with many other brands. It's also remarkably easy for non-skilled users to master. All operating elements such as zoom, focus, and ring light are intuitive and easily accessible for left or right-handed users. So that's the A60F model from Leica Microsystems, and if you need more details, please leave a comment below or simply head right on over to our website for pricing or to speak with our team in real time via the live chat app. Don't forget, John Morris is here to help you succeed with technology. Go on, leave us a thumbs up or share our content if you enjoyed this product review. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.